What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2003 Toyota Corolla. The fuel tank's leaking, so I'm going to replace that. I think it's leaking from here. This one's the new one, so I believe over here. I'm not sure. After I take it out, we're going to check it out. So this car have too many rests under the car, so hopefully nothing's damaged or something else. I believe it's only the fuel tank. Hopefully it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so I need to disconnect the battery. Disconnect both of them. It is 10mm. I think both of them they are 10mm. And you need to take the seats, the rear one, the under here. You need to take up. Hopefully it's over here. Or yeah. So to take the seats, you need two hands to open it. One hand you maybe can. So on the other side there is one pin down here. So I take this one. Let me take that one. And then after that you're going to check it out under there. Okay guys, I did open. So here it is. What's holding, there is one over here and the second one's down there. So after I open that, you're going to open this one. So how do you open this one? I think I need a screwdriver to open it. There's a screw, so I need a screwdriver. Okay, after you take it off, it's just a glue holding it. There's a clip, so you're going to squeeze it down in here. It'll be stronger. You can do it to the hand, or you can this rubber. You can push it inside. It'll be easier. Like this. Yeah. So you can move this one around. Now there is more space. You can see you need to take two wires. You need to disassemble. Let me try one. If I could do that. Okay, you could do that. Okay, one's out. One of it. Okay, this one. Let me try. Yep, I need the one off my hand. Let me do this one. So you need to squeeze this one to take this one. Same deal. But it is so old, so it doesn't come out. I need to have two hands and then I'll show you. Alrighty guys, so I just take it off. This one to take a little bit harder. Need to squeeze it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, use screwdriver. Just get it inside here, but don't break it. You'll break it if you do harder. Do on this side and do the other side. Just when you do that, one screwdriver, put it here and then pull it this way. And I get in there. A little bit tricky to do it if you never did one, so it'll be harder. And then you need to take off this one. So to do that, for mine it is yellow clip. So inside here, when I will take it off, it'll be when I take the fuel tank. I will show you what I show you. So this one it'll be inside here all the way in. So to do that, you need to push it this way, both of them this way, to widen it up and then push it that way. And I can take out this one. Now I can push the fuel tank down because I unplug everything back. You need to unplug the battery too to do that, if you want to do that. And now it's done. So for the fuel, okay guys, so for the fuel holder, there's four bolts, and then it is 40mm. And for the exhaust too, it is 40mm. This one down here. It is hard to record and that. Okay, this one over here, 40mm. And then for the fuel tank holder, is 40mm down here. There's four, and then you need to disconnect all lines down here. You need to follow the fuel tank. How many lines have? Mine I can see only three. 1, 2, and then 3. This one. Or maybe this one too. So follow how much. I think there is 1, 2, 4, and then there's one bigger one over here for the this one is foods. And then it is going to take this one too. This bracket you need to come off. It is 10mm. So this one you need pliers for this one. So let me do that. Hopefully nothing can broke. So spray WD-40 to do that. Otherwise you might break the bolts because they are rusted. So let's do that. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I took the fuel tank out with the vapor canister because the connector I can't take it off. So here it is. Because of this connector I can't take it off. I take this one off, but this one or on there it's hard to take it off. I can't squeeze it. I don't know why, maybe it's too old car. And then the fuel tank's leaking from here. Around here I told you that on the new one, but around here is leaking because this still rusted all the way, always rusted. So hopefully everything I'll take it out. Hopefully this screws, hopefully I can take it out without breaking, but I can't really use it because they're rusted so much. The new one have it, but it's only Phillips. I think that one's 9mm, not sure. So hopefully that one come out. This cover, you will turn it, and then this wire need to be put on there. So they gave you new seals on both of them. Yeah. Some of the clamps they're rusted, so some of them they're broken. So I'm going to replace it. This one doesn't have it. Yep, some of them they're broken, so I need to replace it. And this rubbers, I'm going to put it like this. Maybe I'm going to glue it. Hopefully it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bolts 9mm. Hopefully take it out. Okay guys, to take this one you need some screwdriver too. You need to squeeze it, just hard to take from this rubber out from here. The old one have rubber, so because nobody touched before, maybe I don't know how many years, so take from here the rubber holding it. So you need 2 screwdrivers or like this will help you. So I'm going to put both of them. So here it is, the new one they give you with the fuel tank, and I'm going to use the new bolts and the rubber too. So I'm going to put it over here. So, and then you need to hit it, this one, but I didn't hit it because this one rusted, so I just open it. Be easier like that. Might paint this one, but if I do that I'll waste my time, but I'm not going to do that. Okay guys, for the fuel, I just finished clamp this one back and I clamp this one, so I pinned this one, both of them. Now I'm going to put it back. And for the fuel holder, it's rusted, the old one, especially on this side, so I'm not going to put it back. I just ordered one. It'll be here tomorrow, so I'm going to work on the fuel tank today, tomorrow hopefully. Over here you can see it's dark over here, this one, so I don't trust it. It might break a later, so if I bend it, so it's not safe. So I'm going to do that. And this car doesn't have any protection under the car because they're rusted and they're broken. When it is, I don't know, but it's ready. So now I'm going to bolt it in and I leave it. I glued this rubbers back. If you want to do that, you could. So now I'm going to leave that, and then I have other cars on this car. This car have too many rusts, so I need to fix that before this car goes out. So I hope you enjoy this video. What's up guys, I got the part for the fuel tank holder. Here it is, much more better. So now I'm going to take this rubber and I put it on the new one. So if you want the part number, here it is. I get it, I ordered yesterday, I got it today. If you got the 40 something, you will get it today or different days, so you will get it different day. You get a little bit the cheaper one. So it is with the part number. I'll put the link down below when what kind of you want. There's this one's 50 something. So now I'm going to this rubber, put it on. I don't need this one, the 10mm, because the cover doesn't have it, so already rusted and I don't have that one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, I'm ready to put the fuel tank back. I put the rubber back. Right there, over here on the other side, there's over there. So the fuel tank side. So I'm going to put it right now. It's hard to record and work. So I'm just putting, maybe I'll put the camera on that side and then try to record. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, after I finish, I will show you what I did. Alright, enjoy the video. Okay guys, I put the fuel tank back, so all done. Let me go under the car and show you. See, this is not that much hard. If someone help you, it'll be easier. Okay, here it is. The new, I didn't paint it black because I don't have time. So here it is. I broke one of the bolts for this one. They put it back in one. Here it is. For the exhaust, you need to put new exhaust gasket. So here it is, all clamped. Some of the clamps have rusted and I replaced it. This one's fine, that one's fine, I didn't touch that one. So here it is. I told you there's no any cover down around here because it was rusted and then it's gone. Like you can see inside here it's rusted too. Where it is, new clamps over there if you can see. So all done. I didn't unplug it yet. Up there I'm working on the body, so I'll unplug it. No, we'll do it. We go up there and unplug it. So for this one, like, let me show you. Let me put it over here. How to take it off. Okay, put it inside here. You need to squeeze a little bit and you put it. Okay, after this one you put it. To take it off, you use this screwdriver. It'll be harder over here, so there's no space. So you push it this way, you push it outside. Don't break it. Sometimes you'll break it. If you never take it off, it will not be easier. So now it's easy because it doesn't have anything. So take it off. Now I'm going to put this one back cover. So this one, last time I told you it would be over here. Yeah, it was a big issue over there to put it on. So now hopefully it's working. It'll be work. And then to take this one, it'll be harder. Use small screwdriver. Take this side and then take this side later on. Okay, put this one back. Hopefully now it works. It'll be harder to work one hand. Like this. Up, turn a little bit. Like this. And up. One more. Yep. Up like this. So let me screw it and then I'll be back. Okay guys, to put this one will be harder. So I put some oil on it for all connection for the pipes. If you do that, it will be easier to get in. So okay, all the time to put it over here will be harder. Why can't we get in? Ouch. Okay, so I need to squeeze a little bit to get in over here. You see? Yep, squeeze it. It'll be in over here and in. Push it. Yep, all the way in. So you can see it's in over here. So this one have it too, same deal. So all in. Now let me connect this. Last time was hard. Now it'll be easier. And then and I will be back this one. There's this just glue stuff. So there's a mark, so put it like this, or you can see this and this one. Yep, and then I'll take this one back. And then to put this one, the seats, just put this one. This guy, put it inside here. Oh, yep, that's it. And then this guy, you put it around here. Yep, over here. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.